What up everybody, Derek Source Photo Portal, so glad to be back. I like making these videos. I would like to do it as my job, but unfortunately not up there yet enough in the subscriber count. Hopefully I will one day, but for now, if you would please help me out by subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, all of that good stuff. Help me out, guys. All right, today, just to get straight to it, I went on vacation, and to me, one of the best and most fun parts about the vacation is actually when you get back, getting to print your pictures. You see, I'm somebody who still prints my pictures. I don't like to keep them in a cell phone or just in a hard drive. I like to have an album. I like to get it made. I like to get it printed. I like to fix my pictures to perfection, to the way I like them. And part of the fun with photography, yes, maybe it's not film, and I'm not doing that whole film side of things, which must be ridiculously fun, but too expensive. So I work with digital. I work with an EOS R and an EOS RP, and that's how I handle my pictures. Now today, I'm just gonna go and get some of those pictures printed, you know, because I go on vacation and that's what I like. What happens if one day your pictures hard drive dies, computer dies, your cell phone, you just change it, get a new one, and then you know what, you transfer the pictures, or you just end up losing the pictures because you don't care no more. Albums, people, it always comes back to it. People like to have a shoebox sometimes and just keep the pictures in there. There's some nostalgia behind that. We've all done that when we were kids going through our parents' pictures. I like to keep them a little bit more organized in a photo album. Today I'm going to get them printed. And as a photographer, I must say, if you're going to hire a photographer to take pictures, please go and get them printed at a real photo place. So today I'm gonna go to Photogramby. It's the one that I use. I'm always happy with the quality of the images, not too expensive. Places like Walmart, sorry to just throw that out there, Walmart. Sometimes the machines are not the best. You get this hologrammy looking shot, and I really don't like it, especially if I'm putting the time into fixing them nicely. You go to a real photo place, that's where you get the quality. That's what you wanna do, guys. Besides that, the other option that was a great option is if you have done it before, ordering photo books from places like pharmacies or whatever. If you like the quality and you find that it turns out good, do that. I find that Walmart just doesn't seem to cut it for me. Just, you know, you're lucky one day, the next day it's like you got this really bad image. The colors are just no good. Today, I'm gonna go and do that. I'm gonna gather up my hard drive. I got pretty much everything ready to go. I'm gonna get there, choose the photos I need, fix what I need to fix. Unfortunately, on this trip, I didn't get to take as many pictures that I would have liked. I got really sick when I was there, and I was keeping my strength to just make sure that I wasn't missing out on any family fun, family first. But my photography, I got to take quite a bit of pictures, not as many as I would have liked, and my wife also took pictures too. Unfortunately, that will be with a cell phone, so the quality won't really be there, but it's about the memories, you know. And anyway, people seem to be getting into this, adding some grain to the pictures, so I mean, you know, I guess it'll be kind of grainy. Who knows? We'll see. Hopefully they turn out great. Once again, support your local areas, support your local photographers, and make sure that spread the love. And always make sure to take care of thy neighbor. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go and get my pictures printed. So yeah, so let's go print my pictures. So I'm off right now to go and get those pictures printed. Let's do it.